Hey developers out there, welcome back to DDP tutorial. In this lesson, we will focus on how to create database in MySQL using console and phpMyadmin both. And we will start with console at the first place because it's a bit complicated. And then we will create a database in phpMyadmin. Open your XAMPP. If you don't have one, I recommend you to download it. I'll give the link in the description below so you can download it easily. And now you have to order. Now start the Apache and MySQL. Here we go. As soon as you click on this, this will start the services. Now we will run a command prompt. Now to open that command prompt, you need to type in CMD in your run box. So here we are on the command prompt screen. Now you will have to navigate to the folder where you have installed your XAMPP. I have installed in C. So now the command I am just typing in here is a specific command to get into the console where you can type commands to create your database. So watch carefully. Okay, U stands for username. If you have a default settings like you have just installed a XAMPP and you have not messed around with the settings, then you could type exactly whatever I have typed in here. Right? So MySQL U stands for username, that is root, and you have not provided any password here, so it would be blank. You won't have to do anything here. And H stands for hosting address. Hosting address would be 127.0.0.1. Now hit enter. So it will ask you for the password that you don't have. Hit enter, right? So we are on. Now we have to type, create a command. So I'm just creating a database. I'm so sorry, I just DDP. We have created a database. Now we have to use it. We will create a table right here. To create a table, we have a syntax called create table name. So table name would be users, and there I want 3 rows. That would be ID, the student ID, and I wanted to give integer as a data type, and 10 would be the size, and I don't want my values to be null, so I just give it. Then it will be username, varchar. I'll give 20. Not null. I don't like my values to be null. I don't know why. So password, and that would be varchar 20, and that's it. Oh, it should be not null. No. Now to show your table, you need to type in here show tables. Now it will show you the tables what you have in your DDP database. We have one table called users. Now you could see your values right here. to see the values in the table, you need to type in here describe users. That's what the command is for describing the table. And you could see there is an ID, username, password. So you have three rows, and we have successfully created this. No, we have successfully created this. Now we will create a database from the phpMyadmin. So let's go to phpMyadmin. So here we are. We have to click on this tab right here. So can you see that we have a database called DDP, and we have a table called users, and we have 4 rows, right? So we could create a new one. However, we have ID, password, username. So we exactly have it. So we need to drop this table, right? So we can, so that we could create a new database here. So can you do that? So we don't have that database anymore here. We will create a new database. So we will name that DDP. Now we have successfully created a database right here. Now we will create a table called users with 4 columns. Oh no, wait, we need 3 columns. Why 4? Now, so it would be ID, right? This is what we have created. int. The length value will be 10. Default will null. No, I don't. Yeah, null. As defined, right? All right, it should be null. Yeah, of course, it's violet blue. So it should be primary username, and it would be watchR, and I'll give that 20. Should be null, and no more password. And it should be watchR. I thought to give it password data type, but that's fine. We don't care about it, do we? Now we could save this, and it will say like you have successfully created a table. Ta-da! Oh, it's working, so we gotta wait. Okay, so we have our rows right here. Rows like ID, password, username. Ta-da! This would be all for this video, I guess, and I hope I have been able to explain the motive of the lesson. If you are not satisfied the quality of the content, leave your valuable suggestion in the comment below, and query as well, and we promise we will get back to you as soon as possible. And please like and subscribe to the channel. Happy coding!